Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our heater, seal, and gasket kit for the 66 through 77 Broncos. Like all gaskets and seals, those found in the heater box of these classic vehicles can dry out, crack, or lose their effectiveness, resulting in reduced heating efficiency. Dennis Carpenter has just what you need to freshen up your heater system. Our kit contains 13 of the necessary gaskets and seals to get your heater box performing like brand new again. Dennis Carpenter also offers an Exactive original heater core if yours needs replacing. So whether you are replacing your heater core or just want to get your heater performing like new again, our gasket and seal kit has everything you need to get the job done right. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.